Hey guys, this is Hafiz, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the airbag, and if that airbag pop on the road, how can you save the road service. As you can see, all other airbags are inflated except this one. I told the driver to bend the airline that goes to the airbag, and that's how you can stop the leak. But he cut the line, so he did it wrong. You can actually push it in, and you can easily pull out the airline. Airbags are pretty much same on every single truck and trailer, except a couple of bolts and some sizes, but it's the same procedure. So I'm going to show you how we can change it. There's one bolt on the top, and one at the bottom on this airbag, which is a Freightliner truck. And it's so easy. You can even use the adjustable wrench, or you can use the gun. It's up to you, but it's not that hard to change, and it's gonna take only 15 to 20 minutes if you already know how to do it. For the first time it might take half an hour, but as you can see, there is a one bolt at the bottom and one on the top. We already took that off, so you know, remove this one. And so the next step is just to push the airbag down and take it off. So as you have noticed that my airbags were up, and it's helping me actually to pull out that airbag, because the other bags are already inflated, and there is a room in between the frame, and I can easily pull out the airbag. So the old airbag is removed, and now we're going to add a new airbag into the same position. As you can see, one bolt at the bottom of this airbag, and then one is on the top, and there's another hole on top of the airbag, which is for the air fittings, which you don't get it with the airbag, so you have to remove it from the old airbag. So you just align it and come inside the truck and lower the airbags. So the airbags are sitting properly. Now we just need to make sure the air fitting is tight and put those bolts on. Before you put the airline, make sure that the air fitting is aligned and facing towards the airline, and make sure it's open, and all you have to do is just push it in and pull it back, and it's locked. So the same way you can remove this when you have any kind of emergency, and you can bend it with the zip tie. Now it's time to test it. You come inside the truck and inflate airbags and look for any air leak. If there's any issues, let the air build up all the way. The airbags aftermarket may cost you $125 approximately, up to $200, and the road call or the repair for this might be $300 approximately. So you might be looking at $450, but if you do that by yourself, it costs you $125 only. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.